Hey everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So if you're a creative artist, designer, illustrator, copywriter, anyone who works in the creative fields, I feel like this channel will be for you. Over the last few years, I've been a freelance graphic designer and illustrator. I've traveled the world for 2 years, and I've also published a series of illustrated books. And in that time, I've amassed a lot of different knowledge and skills doing all those cool things that I would love to share with you guys. I appreciate that being in the creative industries, it can be really difficult at times. You know, how am I going to financially support myself? When am I going to go full time and be able to not only produce work that I really enjoy, but also feel fulfilled and support myself financially? And that's where I want to try and help you all and share as much knowledge and information as I have with you so that you can follow your dreams, go out there, go full time with your creative work and become a freelancer, go work for those brands you always wanted to work with, and kind of do work that you're proud of as well. Along the way, there'll be lots of different tips and tricks and things that I've learned over the last few years as well. So I really hope you enjoy the videos and the channel, and please subscribe below. If you've got any questions, anything you want to know from me, please put them in the comments. I'm always looking for user feedback, and I would love you guys to direct a lot of where the content of this channel goes. So thanks for listening, guys. I'm really excited to share with you all my knowledge and wisdom, and I'll chat to you soon.